Hello again folks, I'm Anthony the Eclectic Chef. Welcome back to my English kitchen. Well, today we are going to cook some pwee lentils in chicken stock and white wine. We have a mirepoix to help flavour it, and we're going to put a big nice sausage on top. I think this should be a good dish. Lots of flavour. Pwee lentils are very proud of themselves. They have their own protected domain of origin in France, so they can only come from a particular area. They tend to cook a little firmer and be a little peppery. So here's our mirepoix. Clockwise from 11 o'clock, carrot, orange pepper, celery. I threw a little bit of tops in there for extra flavour, half an onion. We're going to use some lemon thyme and some garlic ginger paste. I like the addition of ginger so I don't have to go out and buy some just for this recipe, and we'll probably add some freshly ground black pepper. We're going to saute the mirepoix, add the garlic ginger paste, get the lentils in there, add the stock and the wine, a couple of sprigs of the thyme which we can pull out later, and we'll be good to go. Mirepoix in the Instant Pot. We've added our thyme leaves so we don't need to pull any stalks out. This is nicely softened, so we're ready to add the lentils. We've added our pwee lentils, stirred them around a little bit to incorporate. By the way, this was 300 grams. My measuring jug, it worked out to about 2 cups. Liquid added. 2 cups chicken stock, 1 cup white wine. In this case, 2024 Australian Pinot Grigio. Tastes good, and about a cup of water. We're going to do this in the Instant Pot for 10 minutes and then leave it to natural release. If you were doing this stovetop, just follow the directions exactly, but simmer the lentils for 25 minutes. That should get them nice and tender. Lentils are done, stirred up, naturally released. Looks and smells great. I'll show you how this looks plated up. Well folks, here we are, plated up. That's a Costco UK Cumberland sausage, by the way. 4 little new potatoes for garnish and decoration, and to fill us up a little bit. If you've been following this channel, you know I'm very fussy about my sausages, and these Costco Cumberland sausages punch way above their price weight. This looks pretty good folks, and I know it's going to taste good.